Service isn't just evolving, it's being completely transformed. Welcome to the Age of Agentic Service with Microsoft Dynamics 365, where autonomous agents, Copilot, and human teams work together to deliver proactive, intelligent, and highly personalized support. Empower customers to resolve issues effortlessly through self-service solutions powered by agents that continuously learn and adapt from every interaction. These agents review past conversations, identify emerging trends, and update intent libraries in real time, ensuring faster, more accurate resolutions across every channel. When human assistance is needed, service representatives have everything they need at their fingertips: a complete 360-degree view of the customer and real-time guidance from Copilot, enabling them to resolve cases more efficiently and with a personal touch. Autonomous agents handle repetitive tasks, such as case creation, updates, and follow-ups, freeing service teams to focus on meaningful interactions that foster loyalty and drive impact. Meanwhile, the knowledge base stays up to date automatically with no manual maintenance required. Supervisors gain instant insights to track trends, address gaps, and enhance performance. For field service needs, a scheduling operations agent ensures everything runs smoothly. The right technician arrives on time, equipped with the right tools and information, while customers remain informed every step of the way. Simplify your technology stack and scale with confidence through a comprehensive, flexible solution built on Microsoft's trusted ecosystem. Redefine service with Dynamics 365, ready for today and built for the future.